Garage doors are incredibly important to the curb appeal of a home. Over the last 10 to 20 years, we've really started to realize how much of an impact a nice, new, good-looking garage door can impact the value of your home and just the way you feel about it. It makes it more of a special experience driving home. My name is Chris Terrell. I am the owner of Chris's Garage Doors. We started the company in 2017. I learned pretty early on that as I could build something business-wise, that I could make a bigger impact on my community. Our company vision is to make Colorado a better place to live, and one simple way we do that, but impactful, is putting in nice new garage doors. We're not just a company that says we do things for the community, it is at our core. Our biggest purpose is to help the community be better. We're putting in some really pretty stuff. They're increasing the value of people's homes, they're increasing the look and feel of a community. Some people can't afford a new door and they want it to work. We'll do everything we can to keep it up and running and functioning, and we'll do it in a way that has strong ethics and morals. We're very honored to have been chosen as the 2023 Torch Award for Ethics by the Better Business Bureau, and ethics is the most important category for me. We also won South Metro Denver Chamber's Small Business of the Year, also in 2024. In 2024, the cost versus value report showed garage doors came in at 194% return on investment. In the Denver area specifically, if you get your garage door replaced with a nice new upgraded door, you get a 194% return, which is the highest value you can get on any mid-range projects, period. It's incredibly important to have an experienced technician, and it has to be a good experience, because you can have someone who's been experienced in the industry for many years, but they don't have the right experience, or they weren't actually trained the right way to do things. That's why it's important to have someone who has the right credentialing and the proper training to know that when they're repairing your door, they're not just patching it up or not just getting it to work, but they're actually getting it to work properly. Same with installs. That's very important to have a good installer. If you buy a refrigerator, you just want the good model. You transport it, you put it in. When you buy a garage door, model is only part of it. It's the person installing it really captures the quality, because you could have a great model installed by a poor technician and the door will still break. All of our lead techs have been certified by the Institute of Door Dealer Education and Accreditation. That ensures that we have the ability to oversee quality control any project we do. Not only will a purchase from Chris's Garage Doors increase the value of your home, it will also increase our community impact. So if you're looking to get some garage door work done, we would be honored if you partner with us in making Colorado a better place to live.